Oh my god. It is raining and pouring. It's a total shitstorm. And of course, it just has to be the night that I choose to do my laundry. See folks, this is why you should totally never procrastinate. The minute you procrastinate, stupid shit like this happens. I'm trying to do my laundry and it's raining and my curls are gonna get all messed up. Whoa. I hate doing laundry. I'd rather buy new clothes than go to the laundromat, I swear. I miss having a house where I had my own washer and dryer. Now those were the good days. Back in a stupid ass apartment complex. Sucks. My hair is getting wet. Oh, Lord help me, Jesus. Woo! All my curlies and everything's getting wet. Oh, oh my God, that sucked. Whew. I guess my laundry's done. Yay! Clothes soup. Got all my clothes. Got my pajamas. Got my work clothes. So now I have to put everything in the dryer. A woman's work is just never done. That's what it is. So the washer and dryer at my place cost, so let's say $1.50, and then to dry is like $1.25. So my curls fall out. Terrible. Doing laundry. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Very exciting life I have here. Rainbow. Yeah. Very exciting life I have. Have some laundry done and then probably go get something to eat. Well, I was going to get something to eat, but now I don't feel like driving in this horse shit. So probably just gonna open my fridge and see what's in there. I don't know. We'll see what's in there. See if there's anything good. So nobody's here in the laundry room right now because normal people are inside their apartment not being crazy like I am. I want to see what I keep my laundry quarters in. My little cookie monster. Isn't it cute? Actually, I got this from Walmart. It's hard to do it with one hand. See? And he opens up like that. My quarters in there. I got this from Walmart. It's for putting like little snacks for kids. I guess like little tiny things. But it's good for holding my quarters because I don't want to bring my whole purse down here. So, la 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 la, doing laundry, having the time of my life. People are probably outside looking at me like I'm crazy. I am crazy, crazy girl in the laundry room. Hey, get my twerk on in the laundry room. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Nah, I'm just kidding. I can't twerk. All right, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.